I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sync your Liftmaster garage door opener. First, find the Learn button on your opener's motor unit. This button is typically on the back or side of the motor, near the antenna wire. It's usually a distinct color like red, orange, or purple. This button is key to programming your remote or keypad, so make sure you can easily access it before proceeding. Once you've located the Learn button, press and quickly release it. Do not hold it down. You'll notice an LED light next to the button will turn on and stay lit for about 30 seconds. This indicates that your garage door opener is now in programming mode, ready to receive a signal from your remote or keypad. You have a short window to complete the next step. Now, while the LED light is still on, grab your remote control. Press and hold the button on the remote that you want to use to open your garage door. Keep holding it until the garage door opener lights flash or you hear a click. This confirms that the opener has successfully learned the remote's signal. If you're programming a keypad, enter your desired 4-digit code and then press the Enter button. Finally, it's time to test your newly programmed remote or keypad. Press the button you just programmed and your garage door should activate. If it doesn't work, repeat the steps from the beginning, ensuring you press and release the Learn button quickly and hold the remote button until the opener responds. Congratulations! Your Liftmaster garage door opener is now synced and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.